fast stuff into puzzle fun. So quick and easy, satisfying puzzle. I really like to get these Kodak premium puzzles. This is the Space Shuttle launch puzzle. 100 pieces, vibrant, high quality pieces. I don't really want to open it because we're not ready to do it, but nice. I like these pieces because they're a good size, not really little. That just annoys me, but sturdy, feel very sturdy, not flimsy whatsoever. And I am so looking forward to completing this space shuttle scene. Looks to me to have vibrant, sharp details. Look at all of that. Can't wait, but perfect for framing. So when this is done, it's going to be 10 by 13, which I really like. A little box, but winds up 10 by 13. And I imagine this is going to take 15 to 30 minutes to complete. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good mini space adventure? Highly recommend.